We're getting a news update in a press release by the Office of the Lieutenant Governor. There's been a clarification that's come in, and there's actually a response to that Kejriwal letter that was flashed by us. The letter said the Lieutenant Governor will respond to the Honorable Chief Minister in due course. However, since the letter has already appeared in public domain, a clarification is being issued. It is reiterated that Lieutenant Governor has acted fully conscious of his duties and responsibilities under the Constitution of India. Till date, not a single action taken by the Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat is in non-conformity with the provisions of the Constitution. In the instant case, the Honorable Chief Minister was duly consulted on files, and the relevant note sheet is in public domain. The delay on the part of the Honorable Chief Minister of over 40 hours necessitated a direction from the LG that orders be issued. It is given that the office of the Chief Secretary cannot be left vacant. The Chief Secretary is required not just for normal work but for any emergency that may arise. The Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat regrets the insinuation against a respected senior civil servant, and the complaint will be examined as per procedure. It has also been reported that the Principal Secretary Services has been removed from his position. This does not have the approval of the Lieutenant Governor, who is the competent authority to transfer officials of that rank. This order is ab initio void, which means that the order of the Delhi government to remove the services secretary has been put aside by the Lieutenant Governor. Pankaj Upadhyay is with us on the phone line. Pankaj, this is an all-out war between the Lieutenant Governor's office and the Delhi government.
As you pointed out, this has really become an ego issue between the LG and the Delhi government. Simi now, obviously, Delhi Chief Minister is acting very smart here, releasing the letter as well. And now, at the same time, they have also sought permission from the President as well for a meeting. Now, it's the President perhaps will have to clear the air on this, because in the last letter that has been written by Arvind Kejriwal to the Lieutenant Governor, he has not just written some hard pointers, at the same time he has given certain clauses as well. He's gone by the rule book as well. So perhaps the President would be a competent authority here to clear the entire issue, because, Arvind Kejriwal clearly says, according to Rule 49, 50, 51 and 52, LG does not really have the discretion to take decisions like this. The minister should have been taken into consideration as far as the decisions are concerned. And on the other hand, the Lieutenant Governor clearly says that he is the representative of the state authority of Delhi and he is well within his rights. So there is a tussle really here. Arvind Kejriwal has taken the entire matter into the legal domain as well. And as we pointed out in our last conversation as well, that the Delhi government is taking the legal advice as well, because here on they clearly plan first to meet the President. And we are also learning through the sources in Delhi government, if they feel that they are not satisfied with the reasoning that has been given to them by the President, then they perhaps could even think of approaching the High Court or the Supreme Court as well. Simi.